If you love exploring new cultures through food, come along with me to learn how it's done in Spain. Moving here 6 years ago with George, we've had the chance to discover what makes life in Spain and Mediterranean cooking so very special. It's the simple Mediterranean way to turn ordinary ingredients into extraordinary dishes from my kitchen and other regions and restaurants we'll visit along the way. Whether they're one bite tapas or dinner for eight paella pan wonders, they're mostly made up with healthy, simple pantry staples, powered up with the fresh stuff and a splash of extra virgin olive oil. Can you imagine how yummy that's going to be? Whether we're playing in our kitchen at the farm or finding food treats across the country, I promise you'll have fun discovering new ways to create healthy, tasty dishes everyone in your life will love. And eating more of the Mediterranean way every day. Buen provecho!